Hey there, smoothie lovers! Welcome back to Liquid Food, your go-to place for all things smoothies. Today we're going on a superfood adventure. Superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. They're great for your health and can boost your smoothie game to the next level. Let's dive into some of my favorites and their benefits. First up, we have chia seeds, a source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, iron, and calcium. Next, we have goji berries, which are high in vitamin C and fiber. And let's not forget about spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that's incredibly high in protein and a good source of antioxidants, B vitamins, and other nutrients. Now, let's blend these superfoods into a delicious smoothie. Look at that vibrant color. This superfood smoothie is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. That's it for today's episode, folks. I hope you enjoyed our superfood adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smoothie goodness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep blending. Your time and support truly means the world to us. This video's purpose was to educate. Visit liquidfood.net to take our free smoothie course. Thanks for watching.